Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips. Hello friends, today we will talk about hair fall homeopathic medicine R89, which is manufactured by German company Dr Reckeweg. Let's see how does it work. If you are facing hair loss or gray hair, don't let this turn into embarrassment. Get proper and complete natural treatment for your baldness at the earliest possible stage with Dr Reckeweg R89 hair care drops. Bald men are 70% more likely to have coronary heart disease. It's an indication for all men who are losing their hair and ignoring it. Get your hair and health back with R89 essential fatty acid drops. Why Dr Reckeweg? Advanced German formula, which is a synergistic blend of powerful ingredients indicated in clinical trials to influence hair growth, negate the adverse effects of hormones and remove impure blood that causes toxicity leading to hair loss. Reckeweg has developed a global reputation, sold in 40 countries, for efficacious products manufactured to high-quality standards that conform to German, international standards brand trusted by homeopathic specialists and doctors. Reckeweg products are known for high assured results as the ingredients are pure and the formulations are subjected to organoleptic, chemical, physicochemical, microbiological and pharmacognostic investigations. They conform to German, European, Indian pharmacopoeia. Indications of R89. Dr Reckeweg R89 hair loss medicine is indicated for alopecia, baldness, premature hair loss, premature gray hair, weakness due to disease, hair loss after delivery, excess hormone effect, hair loss due to PCOS. Ingredients in R89. R89 Lipical drops contains a potent combination of homeo-herbal ingredients such as alfalfa D3, hypophysis D30, juglans D12, Kalium phosphoricum D4, D6, D12, Lactica sativa D2, lecithinum D3, enotherabionese D3, polyserbatum D3, polyserbatum D3, testes D30, each of which have a specific action on hair loss control. R89 dosage, 3 times daily 20 to 30 drops after meals, once a day. Massage into bald area vigorously for 5 minutes once a day. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more awesome and healthy tips.